Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, How to Build a 50,000 month AI SaaS Business. Hook, first 10 sec, attention grabber. Imagine earning $50,000 every month without extra work. Sounds like a dream. Well, it's a real business model. Today, I'll show you how to start an AI-powered SaaS business and create a life-changing passive income stream. What is a SaaS business? SaaS stands for Software as a Service. You create a software that people subscribe to monthly or yearly. This means you build it once and earn recurring revenue forever. Think about it. Once your software is ready, you get automatic income from users' subscriptions every month without extra work. That's why SaaS businesses are called cash printing machines. And the best part? You don't need coding skills to start this business. You can hire developers or use no-code tools to build your software. Step-by-step guide to start your AI SaaS business. Step 1. Choose a profitable idea. The first step is selecting an AI-powered idea that solves a real problem. The bigger the problem, the bigger the business. Best AI SaaS business ideas. 1 AI-powered resume builder. Helps job seekers create professional resumes. 2 AI social media post generator. Generates viral content for businesses. 3 AI chatbots for customer support. Automates customer service for e-commerce websites. 4 AI-based video editing. Tool, automates video editing for content creators. 5, AI SEO content writing tool, generates high-ranking articles, keyword research. Find a unique angle, and you can create a successful SaaS business. Step 2, how to develop your software. Now you might be thinking, I don't know how to code, how can I create software? No worries, you have 3 options. 1, hire freelancers. Find professional developers on Fiverr, Upwork, or TopTal to build your software. What you cost? $2,000, $10,000 depending on complexity. To use no-code platforms, tools like Bubble, IO, Adalo, or Glide let you build SaaS without coding. 3, integrate AI APIs. Use existing AI models like OpenAI, GPT-4, Midjourney, or DALL-E to create powerful AI-based SaaS solutions. Step 3, set up your subscription model. The key to a successful SaaS business is a strong pricing strategy. This is where you build a system that brings monthly recurring income. Basic plan. $9.99 month for individual users. Pro plan, $29.99 month. Advanced features. Enterprise plan, $99 month for large businesses. If just 500 people subscribe, you can earn $50,000 per month easily. Step 4, digital marketing SEO, how to get customers. Building software is just one part. The real challenge is getting customers. Here's how to market your SaaS business. Best marketing strategies for AI SaaS business. 1, YouTube, TikTok marketing. Create viral videos showcasing your AI tool. 2, Google, Facebook ads. Run targeted ads to attract customers. 3, affiliate marketing. Offer commissions to influencers to promote your tool. 4, LinkedIn outreach. Perfect for targeting B2B businesses. 5, SEO blog YouTube channel. Build organic traffic for long-term success. Step 5, scale automate your business. Once your SaaS business starts growing, focus on automation and customer support. Hire a team, outsource customer support and marketing, AI chatbots, automate customer queries, add new features, keep users engaged by launching updates. Conclusion, why this is the best business model? If you want a business that is 100% online, highly scalable, and generates recurring income, then an AI SaaS business is perfect for you. You don't need to be a developer. All you need is a solid idea and execution. Subscribe for more business ideas. Why this business is better than others. Scalable, once built, you can earn forever. Passive income, you earn monthly subscriptions without extra work. High demand, AI-powered tools are in huge demand worldwide. No experience needed. You can use no-code tools or hire experts. High profit margins. After development, your profit margin is 90% plus. Next steps. If you want to start an AI SaaS business, then like, share, subscribe. Comment your questions below. Turn on the bell icon for more AI business ideas. AI is becoming a billion-dollar industry. Those who start now will build the next unicorn startups. Are you ready to launch your AI SaaS business?